Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker desktop networking on Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Docker desktop networking on Windows 11, first, ensure Docker desktop is installed and running on your machine. Next, right-click on the Docker icon in the system tray and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Resources section on the left sidebar. Within Resources, click on the Network tab. Here, you can adjust the subnet address for Docker's default bridge network if needed. To change the subnet, enter your desired IP address range and subnet mask in the provided fields. By default, Docker uses 172.18.0.0/16 for its network. You may want to select a range that does not conflict with. After making any adjustments, click on the Apply and Restart button to save the changes. Once Docker has restarted, open a terminal window. You can verify your configuration by running the command docker network ls to list all Docker networks. For additional configuration, you might want to set DNS servers in the Docker settings under the Network tab as well. If you require specific DNS settings, enter them in the DNS server field. After configuring DNS, again click Apply and Restart to implement the changes. Next, to create a custom network, go back to your terminal. Run the command docker network create network name to set up a new Docker network. Replace network name with your preferred name for the network. This command allows you to specify options such as subnet if you want a custom subnet for this network. After creating the network, you can specify it in your Docker containers when using the docker run command. Use the network name option to attach containers to the network you just created. To confirm your new network is functioning, run docker network inspect network name to view its details. You should see your custom configuration reflected in the output. If necessary, consider exploring Docker Compose for managing multi-container applications and their networking configurations. Docker Compose allows you to define all your services and networks in a single YAML file, simplifying deployment. In conclusion, you now have a solid understanding of how to configure Docker desktop networking on Windows 11. Adjust settings according to your network requirements and ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.